So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add frames here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you do is open up Canva. Now once that is done, for this demonstration, I'll make the background dark blue, just so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on elements right here. As you can tell, I recently selected the emojis, but what you're looking for here, if you're at the top, for example, just slide down until you come across frames right here, then press on see all. So what frames are actually pretty good for is you can select videos or photos and put them inside of these frames to kind of change how they're being portrayed. So for example, if you wanted to do just a basic shape right here, we can have a square just like that. There you go. We can do, we can go to the devices right here, and let's just use this this desk or this MacBook right there as an example, and I'll select one more frame for this demonstration. How about this blob shape right here? So three different frames. What I'll be showing you guys is the photos that you can put them in. So if you were to go to elements right here, and you want to search up elements of, I don't know, we'll just go with photos right here. Then we'll select recently used. We can use the photo right here of the beach. Beautiful beach right here. So if you were to slide this into this frame, as you can tell, it's right here. Double tap it. You can kind of crop it whatever way you want. So we'll just do that. Once again, back in there. I'll press it again. I'll throw it in this one. I'll press it one more time, and I'll make it in the blob. So there you go. A bunch of different frames at your disposal, but super simple, super straightforward. That is how to add frames to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.